Seller to pay full initiation fee with acceptable offer. Welcome home. This 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage with golf cart stall is ready for you to move in. Located in Eagles Bluff, this home is the perfect size for low-maintenance living. The spacious living area with fireplace and built-ins is open to the dining room and kitchen, allowing for an ease in entertaining or everyday living. Large primary bedroom with sitting area and ensuite bath is a quiet retreat. Primary bath is appointed with separate vanities, tub and separate shower, and large walk-in closet. 2 guest rooms share a Jack and Jill bath and provide ample space for family or guests. The 4th bedroom makes an excellent office or flex space. Completing the interior of the home is a half bath and utility room. Outside is a fabulous screened-in porch with outside kitchen and hot tub. Eagles Bluff is a private retreat on Lake Palestine. It is a 462-acre private sanctuary accented by 50-foot towering trees, creeks, ponds, and lake that frame the breathtaking home sites, welcoming clubhouse, and signature 18-hole championship golf course. Check out Eagles Bluff website at eaglesbluff.com for more info. Buyer to satisfy self on all fees. Come see. Come buy.